From the city of Oviedo begins a trail that mixes dreamlike landscapes and Asturias' industrial past, the Fuso Greenway. The route follows the former railway branch that once linked the capital of Asturias with Fuso Station, part of the historic Basque-Asturian Railway, which for decades played a key role in transporting coal, passengers and goods. Today it is an easy and accessible route to explore on foot or by bike. At around 8 kilometers in length, it begins in Parque de Invierno in Oviedo and leads into the countryside following the course of the River Gafo. Along the way, you'll come across tunnels, a viaduct and centuries-old bridges, as well as the former stations at La Manjoya, now a nature education centre, and Fuso with its iconic triangular design. The route ends in the spectacular natural setting of Peña Abyss. On the Fuso Greenway, history unfolds step by step. Come and discover it.